Imagine every shop in your neighborhood, grocery, pharmacy, bakery, stationery, all selling online through one platform. No need for each shop to manage its own deliveries, no empty shelves, no wasted trips. Customers can open a single app, find exactly what they need from nearby shops, and get it delivered through a shared, cost effective delivery system. That's the future. Retail is building, and it's here today. There are three big challenges that local retailer faces. The first one, high delivery cost and inefficiency. Each shop runs its own deliveries, which is expensive and slow. Second one, limited online reach. Small shopkeepers struggle to compete with large e-commerce platforms. The third one, stock and customer management issues. Manual tracking causes overstock, wastage, and poor customer targeting. For many shopkeepers, going digital feels overwhelming and financially risky. The solutions are Retail is a unified local marketplace platform with one shared delivery system for all shopkeepers in a region. Some features are: first one, shopkeeper account and listings. Each retailer creates an account, lists product, sets prices, and manages their store online in minutes. Second feature, location based filtering. Buyers only see shops in their area, ensuring fast delivery and a personal local shopping experiences. Third feature, shared delivery network. All shops share a single delivery team, cutting costs and improving efficiency, and we take it further with powerful AI driven features. Fourth feature, AI demand forecasting. Predicts exactly which product will sell, when, and in what quantity using past sales, seasonal trends, and factors like festivals or weather. Fifth feature, smart inventory management. Tracks stock in real time, alerting shopkeepers when items are running low or there is overstock. Sixth feature, computer vision shelf monitoring. Scan shelves automatically, detecting empty spaces or misplaced product instantly. Seventh feature, customer personalization engine. Recommends product based on each customer's shopping history and preferences, boosting sales and loyalty. All of this is managed from a simple, intuitive dashboard accessible on both mobile and desktop. Impacts and benefits are: with Retail shopkeepers can reduce delivery cost up to 40% with shared logistics and cut wastages by up to 30% through better stock management. And there is also increase in sales conversion by 15 to 20% with personalized recommendation, and also saving hours every week by automatic inventory and shelf checks, and going online quickly without heavy investments or technical skills become easy. And in last, Retail is not just another retail tool, it's a local business growth engine. Whether you are a single shop or part of a 20 store market, our platform connects you to customers, manages deliveries, and uses AI to help you sell smarter. The future of retail is local, connected, and intelligent. And with Retail, that future secures now. Thank you.